Hello, travellers! Welcome to Deniyaya, a hidden gem tucked away in the southern province of Sri Lanka, where misty mountains, lush green tea estates and the cool of the rainforest create an atmosphere of pure tranquility. Deniyaya is often called the gateway to the Sinharaja Rainforest, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the last remaining virgin rainforests in the world. This makes it an extraordinary destination for travellers who love ecotourism, birdwatching and rainforest exploration. As you step into Deniyaya, you are surrounded by rolling hills covered in tea plantations, where local villagers warmly welcome visitors and share the timeless tradition of Ceylon tea. The winding roads reveal breathtaking views of valleys, waterfalls and the distant rainforest canopy. The region is rich in natural attractions, from the Patna sliding rock, where you can dip into natural rock pools, to Patna Viewpoint, which offers sweeping views of the Sinharaja landscape. Deniyaya is full of wonders waiting to be explored. The Sinharaja Rainforest entrance at Deniyaya is one of the most popular access points, drawing nature lovers and scientists from around the world. Here, you can discover rare flora and fauna found nowhere else on Earth, colourful butterflies, unique reptiles, and over 20 endemic species of birds. It's truly a living laboratory of biodiversity. But Deniyaya is not just about nature, it's also a place of spiritual significance, with temples such as the Getabaruwa Temple, nestled on a mountaintop, offering panoramic views and a peaceful setting for meditation and reflection. For adventure seekers, Deniyaya is a paradise for hiking, trekking and eco-camping. Trails take you through streams, waterfalls and deep forest paths that give you a sense of mystery and wonder. What makes Deniyaya truly special is its serenity. Unlike crowded tourist destinations, here you will find a slower pace of life, untouched beauty and an authentic Sri Lankan experience. Whether you are looking to explore the rainforest, immerse yourself in village life or simply relax in the cool mountain air, Deniyaya offers something unforgettable. Deniyaya is not just a travel destination, it's a place where you reconnect with nature, culture and inner peace. A true hidden paradise of Sri Lanka, waiting for the world to discover.